Hi, my name is Allie Cole, and I will be showing you about the app called GooseChase. To access GooseChase, I can type it into my browser, and it comes right up. GooseChase is a scavenger hunt app for students and teachers. GooseChase is also accessible in the App Store. It is for free, and you do need Wi-Fi. I will show you how it works. You create a game, choosing the missions. The missions are the questions the students will answer within the game. So they can answer the question by taking a picture. They can also answer the question by checking in at a specific location that you have assigned. Additionally, they can also text in an answer. So they have these icons to indicate those different ways of responding. As the students play, I can track the action. So as they play, it appears live in real time on my screen. They can also see how the other teams playing are doing on their screens. At the end of the game, I can save their submissions to review for later and to show good examples of student work. When students are going to be playing the game, they join the game by downloading the app, and they can enter our game code, which is just a series of letters and numbers. And they can complete the missions on their device. Remember, the missions are the questions within the game, and they can see how the other teams are performing. The pricing, like I said, is free. I feel like I get a lot of good value out of the free. I can only imagine myself wanting one live game at a time. I do find myself wishing that I could have more than 3 teams. Now that I've gone through the pricing, I'm going to show you what it looks like to sign up. So I can sign up for free by entering a username, my email, and a password. After that, it will ask me to enter my school district information and the school that I work. I've already made an account, so I'm going to log in. Now I have my games here. I can see how it works, and I can submit feedback to the team. If I want to create a new game, I just press right here. I can name my game, I can write a game description, the game location, and all of that is optional. However, I want to show you their game library. So right here, I have the game library option, and they have lots of pre-made games. So this could be used for science with simple machines, identifying lab equipment, classroom expectations, a library orientation. I really liked this ELA vocabulary review, so that's the one that I'm going to view and copy. I'm going to add the game to my account, and from there I'm going to be able to change all of the settings, but I still have this same game. So my students have this mission list. These are the questions that they're going to work to answer. I can change and edit so that I have my vocabulary words that I want my 4th graders working on and save any changes that way. Mission banks, they have pre-made questions that I could add. A lot of these didn't have a lot of educational value. I can also search for previous questions or missions that I have made in other games. Over on the side, I'm going to rename this Unit 4 Vocab Review. And my students are going to act out, explain, or submit a photo describing the specified piece of vocabulary. Save and continue. On the side, my participants, they will enter their teams by entering in this code on the app. They just download GooseChase on their iPads and will be able to put in this code. I can pre-create teams of students. So if I want all my students that sit at table 1 to be on a team together, I'm going to give them the access code of 1 once they've logged in. Students do not need to create an account. I like the idea of creating the teams for them. That way the teams can be a little more balanced. And if you remember, I'm only able to create 3 teams at a time with the free version. I also create a start and stop time for my game so that my students can only access it when we're in that class. The activity feed shows me what my students are doing in real time as they play. They can also see the leaderboard. I can send teams messages. I can adjust scores or remove a team if necessary. And finally, I'll see their submissions appear on my screen right here while they play. I can download great submissions that I would like to save for later and to review. It's a great way to get some informal feedback of my students' learning or misconceptions. Finally, I would say that this app, GooseChase, on Bloom's taxonomy is applied because students are using info to demonstrate their knowledge. Additionally, on the SAMR model, I would say this falls into modification because it is asking students to significantly redesign a task. Thank you for watching.